From the makers of the Bag Dragon comes the new Ambi-Cut 360, the most revolutionary, dual-guarded, spring-back safety cutter in the world. With the Ambi-Cut 360, there will be one guard extended at all times. Both the tray cut and blade change positions are spring-loaded, so the blade can never be left in an exposed position. There's a hook knife with 2 tape splitters built right in for quick and easy tape cuts. You can select either of the guards depending upon which hand you cut with. Before selecting the guard, make sure the blade is fully retracted in the closed position. Here is the right-hand mode. To switch to left-hand mode, extend the left-hand guard, then retract the right. In left-hand mode, the guard is locked out once the opposite guard is fully retracted. Right-handed mode, same thing. To put the blade in the top cut position, push the button forward and it will lock into the top cut position. You will use in this position to cut along the top of the box. In order to move from a top cut to a tray cut, press down on the button, then forward until it stops. And when you do that, you notice the blade is extended beyond the guard in the spring-loaded tray cut position. You'll notice when you're done with the tray cut, the blade will spring back into the closed top cut position where it's safely concealed under the guard. And then you can leave it in the top cut position or retract it into the fully closed position. To change the blade, you need to have the right guard retracted. You will press on the Blade Change tab and push the button all the way forward until it slides under the tab and locks open. Then lift the blade out carefully. To replace the blade, align the center hole of the blade with the tab in the middle. Then press the Blade Change tab again and the blade will retract back into the top cut position under the guard. The hook knife cuts shrink wrap banding and rope with ease and safety. To change the blade on the hook knife, you push down and forward on the release lever. Then raise the hatch. Turn the blade over or insert a new blade and align that on the 2 posts. Close the hatch and lock into place. The Ambi-Cut 360 also has convenient spare blade storage. To access this compartment, open the rear hatch. Tilt the cutter and carefully remove the blade. Replacing a spare blade is just as easy. The Ambi-Cut 360, 360 degrees of safety.